Today we will create a website. This website is free and hosting online free too. This website is on WIX, which is free, but it will display this line for the free deployment. It will display a subdomain of wix.com as shown here, plus the name of your site. Here is an example of a tourism website in 2 languages which working online. And this is its backend. To create a new website after creating an account, go to WIX dashboard and press on Create New Site. It will display websites templates. For example, if we want to create a dental website, search then Next. Enter your website name, then press Next. Here, if you need to add any features, skip for now, press Next. Press Go to Dashboard. Here is your website. Press Customize Site. Review and edit your information, then press Next. Choose Preferred Theme, then press Next. Choose Preferred Homepage Design, then press Next. Choose Preferred Pages, then press Next. Your site is ready and running online. Press your live site. This is your site. And its URL. We can copy the URL and paste in a new page to view it. You can open it from anywhere. You can press Go to Editor to start editing it, that we'll talk about later. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. For more videos, visit us at Fair Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.